notebook. The microphone was in the closet. No headphones, we lost it. Niggas scared to get some good. Roaches hanging over bosses. No AC, there's a breaker. Sweat just trying to make peace. E-Dub was been the hustler, flirting with all his customers and flat broke. Nappy smoking blacks out on the back porch. I'm thinking I got everything a country boy can ask for.
Now what we do to get here?
Say that, boy.
Lay it down and bring it to you raw.
Say that, boy.
Hey, now we heard some, suffered for more. Change what we work for. Hated for the cussing, but the hatred it made us cuss more. Held on, but it was hard. Stepped up, took charge, ran through what we scared of. What was we afraid for? Look at what we made of. Hard times done made us. Being here is alright, but must believe we want more.
Fit that from that rooter to that shooter foul. Hell no, them country boys ain't hit it top off 6 miles. Kentucky move them kinfolk. Twinkies with them hunters spoke. Scullet on that front post. Plus you know they got drove. 79 Coupe de Ville. Heard a cow, cat a grill. Interstate 65. Headed down that Cashville. Glass field to the tippy top. Backseat bed. Spent my last cent on the rent. Left a pocket lint. A damn shame. Gotta grind anything and everything. Jimmy crack on. Cross the county line with Mary Jane. Long time ago. Gravel road to cash and fame and sold my soul to hell and back and forth with same jeans and nappy fro.
I popped the holly.